Hi, I'm Elly. Today I'm going to read you a story called My Pet Slime Book 1. Are you ready to listen? Okay, I'm going to read you the story. My Pet Slime Book 1. Show and tell. School was just okay today. After lunch, our teacher, Mrs. Sarato, called on the table A to do show and tell. There's a girl in my class named Claire, and she's my BFF. You mean best friend forever. You notice that? My name is Piper McLean, and I'm good to see you. And I'm at third grade, and I'm really picky. I really love animals, and I love them every single day. I want a pet, but I'm allergic to every animal, so I have to make my own pet. I was really curious, but my aunt my aunt my aunt really my aunt I mean my grandmother my grandmother is a space. She goes on out space, and she loves almost everything, and she can almost do everything too. You can almost look what's capable of, or you're never knowing. But when you're just doing the things, and now I know what is going to be happening, or I don't know what is happening, but I think I need to learn what is kind of things. And I always need to learn what's on the binder. I don't know everything, but just to know what's just doing. Or what do you never know? Just don't know it. But Claire even has a hamster, or she even has a kitty too. I think she's too cool, but I think I'm not cool, so that's a really not great. So I just never know what's going to happen now. Just when you're knowing, it's not always your style, or like you're organizing things, and actually Claire's the best. I think nobody loves me then. Well, I don't know, but just I think like that. Just I hope there's something. Just I never know. It's just mine. I'm just thinking, but Claire, Claire has really a great one. Oh, I think she's really great. I think she's really great, and she has many pets. And I think, she's great. And she can have a pet. She's not allergic to everything, but I think only I am allergic. Or I just really love to enjoy with her, and Claire, I love, her parents let her do anything. That's the best one. Oh, I love it. And I wish I have a pet too. And of course, it's my dream to have a really great pet just like. I think she's a. I mean, I think she's really great. Only because she can have any pet, anything. Well, I think that's the great things. I mean, I just love those and and I really want a pet too, but my mom because of my allergic, I can't even get. That's the problem of mine. Oh, I hate myself. Why don't I have it? It's a really one. Don't be like that. Don't be bad like, okay? Now, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It will be fine. It will be fine. Will be fine. I never think it will be fine, but it's fine. I've always think like that, but I've always try, but it can't make me better. Oh, what can I do? I have something to ask her, and I always ask her, what can I do? I really love Claire. Oh, Claire's so kind, and I guess she's great. Always, I think she's just. I mean, why is she always like that? And I always need that. And of course I need it too, and and I really want it, but it's because of all my allergic. Why am I allergic? All like that and all the same. Why am I allergic to almost things? I don't love my allergic. And just like that, I really don't know. And now, just looking outside and doing right. Just if you love your people, or I think you always don't need to be allergic to. But I can't really understand. I really love myself too, and I don't need any allergic, and that is almost useless. Just like that. I hope my allergic wasn't great. I hope my allergic wasn't anywhere, ever, never. And I really love Claire. And I really love Claire. Oh, she don't have any allergic. I think that's actually best. I think so. If I don't even have my allergic, then I noticed something. I wanted to have another one. So I have an idea. So that's when I just do it. That was the day I realized I need to do. And yes, it's not really that useful. I need to try hard. That's not working because I'm really sad or like that. You need to work hard. Okay, now I have to type. Just get used to it, okay? You have to always think like that. Don't worry. Take a deep breath. And my grandma gives me a moon dust. And that moon dust is really working, I think. That moon dust is really great. I mean, I usually love everything, but I really love. If you have to just. Or you don't need to be so worried about. I mean, when you don't know, it's kind of going to be okay. You don't know what is going to happen or on your life. You don't know what is happening or what will happen. You don't know. Okay, then every people don't know what is going to be happen. Then that is great. Oh, why I don't have this idea? That idea will be the fantastic thing ever. Why am I not thinking like that? I have to think. Wow, if I can't have a pet, then I'll make one. I can make one? Well, how can I just not think like that? Whoa, actually, when I was having that thought, I was actually thinking that I'm a genius. But actually, I'm not. How do you think you're a genius? You can't ever be a genius. Just when you think like that, that's right, you can never ever be a genius. I never thought like that. But I don't think usual people can be a genius. I never imagined that, me being a genius. I really want that to happen, but I don't know, it never happened to me. I never always was a genius, and I'm just a people, so I don't know. You don't know what is happening because nothing just going weird and nothing is. I can't do nothing. I can't do anything to make disappear of my allergic. Yes, having an allergic is a real problem, and I don't love it either. Having an allergic, really don't love it. Don't love it either, and everyone won't love it, but I think we have to think, or don't worry, every people will be just fine by the moment. And I guess everyone needs to learn what's happening or what is going to happen. Yes, everyone needs to know what's happening or like that. Yes, everyone needs to know what is happening or what is happening. If no one knows, I think that's a huge problem. Every time, every soon, every meal, and every day. I really love it, but it can't make me even better or like that. I wish something would make me better. Just wish so. Just wish like that. I don't think that is going to be happen, but don't worry. Don't worry, really. Everyone won't know. Everyone won't know. I think so. I was starting to make a slime. I think slime is the only thing I'm not allergic to. Slime is the only thing. So that's why I'm having a thing. So Have you ever thought about that? That having a thought isn't everything. You don't know what is or every time happening. And so I was about to make a slime, and I am making a slime. I was making a slime, and then the slime came alive. Okay, and if there was something kind of happening, and I made that slime, and it was only fantastic. So, that slime was the only friend that I made that day. And that slime was the best, I think. That slime was the only friend I had and the only one I can believe on. And next day was showing the pet us we have at school. So Claire brought a hamster, a kitty, and everything. But I secretly bring the slime to my backpack. So bringing the slime secretly to my backpack wasn't really okay. It was really not okay, but I can do it. I've just got it and it was the time. So I show my pet around and people. But what a relief. Today wasn't the day. Phew. If I tell everyone that my pet is a slime, then what would happen? Yeah, if that was a real relief because I don't have my slime just like that, and it was the day I've always just dreamed before. And I showed my slime, and I even named that slime. Do you want me to tell you? Okay, my slime's name is Cosmo, and And she's name is awesome, right? I name her because my grandma loves a thing Cosmo. I don't know what is meaning like that, but my grandma just loves it, so I was just naming it. It was just the best. And when you're just doing it's never going so wrong or never you can always be wrong or like that. You never can just dream like that. But I showed Claire that she loved it. Oh no, wow, that's so awesome. How did you make it? I just made with the moon dust. Then she said, don't be kidding. Don't really kid like that. I think you're really telling a fake. It's really like a slime on sailing on a market. Really? It's really that close? Yes. Don't you even notice? Oh, I think it's the best. Well, if you say so, then that was the day Claire really loved my pet, and that was the real BFF started. And that was the end. Okay, and this is the end of the story. And wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. There was more making in here. Okay. How to make a slime. Okay, and this is okay. Okay, and I'm going to say, how do I make Cosmo? I first mix with moon dust and water and a little bit more sugar and activator, and that is great. And put some baking soda on there, and put some glitter and everyone, and make a shape you want your slime to be. And this slime is going to be the best delicious thing. I'm not delicious, but it was really best. This slime, you have to color it how you love it. If you want it white, then just do like that. But my best color is the purple, so I put a color with my thing purple. Okay, and this is how you make. Now next time I'm going to tell you another making stories for you. Okay, and this story was really great. Wow. Okay, and thank you for listening to my story. Bye.